this is a new unboxing. What is this? This is Audi Quattro Rally A2 chassis TT02. Here we have a special tuned motor, and this is the box. Very nice, as usual, with all the option parts, what you need to finish and to drive the car. Let's look inside. Look inside, look inside. I have bought this on eBay. This is the paper they give you, the shop give you to thank and recommendations. And now in the box. First of all, this bag with all the metal parts, the engine, screws, springs, shocks absorbers part. Yes, as usual, tools. Then we have this other bag. This has body parts, rear wing and side mirrors. Nice, plastic, hard plastic. This is the speed controller, and it is the one for brushless or brushed motors. This is very good. In all my Tamiya cars I have done this. It's very, very good, very nice. The body, as usual, very well made. This is interesting. It's always very hard to cut perfectly. Very nice. What's that? It looks like. Then, chrome parts. Front, rear. By this way or this way? This way. No, this is front, not rear. These are the yellow one, blinkers, and this is the headlights. This is rear. Good. Other bag with these are discs. You see, the wheel mount have discs, so we have to paint it in silver, I think. These are body parts, rear hubs, front hubs, steering. Nice. Tires. Tires, street tires. Not slick, but with like Pirelli P600, I don't think. You see? Good, very good, very nice. These tires, do they have no sponge inside? If you want, you can take a sponge, cut it, and do it by yourself. Tires there. Main frame, nothing to say, it's always the same. Wheels, wheels, I don't like these wheels. You see, are like this, quite similar, but I don't like it as much. I will paint it in white, a little bit better. This is the motor mount over the motor. Yes, motor. There's a motor case and a receiver case. Yes, this is the battery holder. It's always the same frame. In this, I think that we will not use a lot of pieces. Okay, front bumper, don't like it too much, and at the end other frame pieces. You see, this car has not hydraulic suspension, but just friction. I don't know why Tamiya makes still friction suspension on a car that has to go on the road and also off-road. Antenna. This is something from the past. Now, if you use the antenna tube, you use something, a piece like this. I don't think to use the antenna tube. Papers, papers, papers. What is this? Oops. Informação importante sobre o kit. You must read everything if you are a beginner. It's very useful. These are the body instructions for this car. How to paint, how to cut, how to apply decals, extra parts, plastic parts, chrome parts. Very nice, very nice. Tamiya make always a very, very good work. And these are the chassis instructions that are always the same. Perhaps you have to choose the wheelbase. Yes, you see here, 251, 257. And perhaps here they have to say which one for this model. Now, you have to read carefully. Before mounting, you have to know which wheelbase you need for this body. Instructions is I think that Tamiya has the best instructions. It's a tradition. And last but not least, no, it's not last. All the glasses for the lamps. As I was saying, oh, this I don't like so much. I prefer the 3D wipers. These are for the front grille, window masking, and other. No, they don't come out. No, perhaps. What are these? This. Okay. Good. Very good. And this is all. But it's not all, because I, as usual, want to build this car a little better than what they gave in the box. So we make room for a while. Hop! Interiors. This is a standard interiors. Now I have to decide if make some modification for the look, for an Audi look. Painting. Shock absorbers. gRVjrXg. Very, very good. On all my touring cars, rally cars, I wanted this. They gave you a lot of things. Really a lot. Very, very. They are not cheap. They are not expensive. Springs. Look here. Look at this. How many pieces they give you? Only 4 about this. How many pieces? Oil, earrings, everything. And it is not all. Springs. I will give you the link of this product here down below. I'm fascinated. And this is for the... this is a Servo. This comes from China, Banggood. Unfortunately, I never open it. How can we open this? Like that, and oh, this is a normal Servo. It's quite quick with, I think, metal gears. Yes, I wanted metal gears. Little bit exaggerated for this car, but it's, if you can, why don't have better things? And this is a new thing for me. This is an electronic switch that costed very few euros. I have to discover how does it works. I used to have the electronic switch from Graupner, and they costed about 26, 28, 30 euros at home. This costed 7, 6, 7. I will give you the link down below. Lights. This light I do by myself. The circuits. Receiver. Fly Sky receiver, 3-channel. Wonderful, little, perfect. And at last, ball bearings. Ball bearings. On your car, remember, ball bearings are a very, very important part. You have to use money, but they don't cost a lot of money. But they give you a completely different pleasure in driving and battery consumption. My driving is more precise, more silent. Ball bearings, the one with the plastic, not with the metal, the plastic, these are sealed, really sealed. You can go in the water, in the dust, and you have no problem for years and years and years. So, this is all. A lot of work. A big mess. Perhaps I will make some videos during the assembling, if you liked it. By now, remember, thumb up, important. If you're not, subscribe. I need a lot of subscribers. And hope you like my video. Bye, that's all.